Hello everyone, and welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. Today we will learn how to reset cellular data settings on your iPhone. If you're experiencing issues with mobile data, poor network connectivity, or cellular service problems, resetting your network settings can often help. To get started, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down and tap on General. Now, scroll all the way to the bottom of the screen until you find Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap on it. Next, tap on Reset to view the available reset options. Before we continue, take a moment to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more quick and helpful tutorials like this. From the list of options, tap on Reset Network Settings. Your iPhone may ask you to enter your device passcode. Enter it to continue. After that, confirm that you want to reset the network settings. Your iPhone will restart automatically, and all network-related settings will be reset to their default values. Keep in mind that this will remove saved Wi-Fi networks, Bluetooth connections, VPN settings, and cellular network configurations, but it will not delete your photos, apps, messages, or personal files. Once your iPhone turns back on, reconnect to your Wi-Fi network if necessary and check if your cellular data is working properly. That's it. You have successfully learned how to reset cellular data settings on your iPhone. If this video helped you, feel free to check out more quick tutorials like this.